Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting comparison between two amazing Sony cameras. In the left corner, we have the Sony A7E, and in the right corner, we have the Sony Alpha ZV-E10. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. When it comes to image sensors, both cameras excel. The Sony A7E features an advanced 24.2 MP full-frame image sensor with a 1.8x readout speed, while the Sony Alpha ZV-E10 boasts a large 24.2 MP APS-C Exmor CMOS sensor. Both sensors deliver stunning image quality and exceptional detail. In low-light conditions, the Sony A7E shines with its wide ISO range of 50 to 204,815 stop dynamic range. This allows you to capture stunning shots even in challenging lighting situations. On the other hand, the Sony Alpha ZV-E10 also offers impressive low-light performance with its fast Bions X processor and excellent high ISO capability. Both cameras feature advanced autofocus systems. The Sony A7E sports 693 phase detection and 425 contrast AF points, covering 93% of the image area. This ensures fast and accurate autofocus, even on moving subjects. The Sony Alpha ZV-E10, on the other hand, utilizes reliable autofocus technology for both photos and videos, making it a great choice for content creators. If you're looking for top-notch video quality, both cameras deliver impressive results. The Sony A7E offers 4K video capabilities and the option for uncompressed RAW output, providing exceptional clarity and color accuracy. The Sony Alpha ZV-E10 takes it a step further with oversampled 4K footage from 6K, ensuring incredible detail and sharpness in your videos. Now let's talk about the price point. The Sony A7E is priced at $2,198, while the Sony Alpha ZV-E10 comes in at $798. Both cameras offer fantastic features, but the Sony Alpha ZV-E10 provides outstanding value for its price, making it a great option for those on a budget. And that wraps up our comparison between these two impressive Sony cameras. We hope this video helped you in making an informed decision. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.